What's up, guys? I hope everyone is doing all right. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about front end programming languages. This is part 7. If you miss my previous parts, go and check it out. All parts are available on YouTube. In this part, we are going to focus on Jquery. But before I can go in, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and do follow me on TikTok. Let's go in and learn something useful. As you guys know that there are 8 major types of front-end programming languages. Number 1 is HTML, number 2 is CSS, number 3 is JavaScript, number 4 is React, number 5 is Angular, number 6 is Vue, number 7 is Jquery, and number 8 is Swift. And today we are going to focus on Jquery. So let's talk about Jquery. HTML, CSS and JavaScript are 3 fundamental languages of the internet. Websites are structured with HTML, styled with CSS, and interactive functionality is added with JavaScript. Most animations or actions that happen as a result of a user clicking, when we click the button, hovering or scrolling the page, are constructed with JavaScript. Jquery is the write less, do more JavaScript library. It is not a programming language, but rather a tool used to make writing common. JavaScript task more concise. Jquery has the added benefit of being cross-browser compatible, meaning you can be certain the output of your code will render as intended in any modern browser. Alright, that's kind of benefit we have for using Jquery. Alright, prerequisites. Before you begin to use Jquery, you will need the following: a basic knowledge of HTML and CSS, an understanding of the fundamentals of programming. While it is possible to begin writing Jquery without an advanced knowledge of JavaScript, familiarity with the concepts of variables and data types will help significantly. Alright, setting up Jquery. Jquery is a JavaScript file that you will link to in your HTML. There are 2 ways to include Jquery in a project, which is to download a local copy, alright, or link to a file via Content Delivery Network, CDN. What is CDN? A CDN is a system of multiple servers that deliver web content to a user based on geographical location. When you link to a hosted jQuery file via CDN, it will potentially arrive faster and more efficiently to the user than if you hosted it on your server. Alright, you guys got it? How to set up the jQuery two ways. Let's talk about the example. You will begin this exercise by creating a small web project. Alright, you guys can see the project name, project, and inside that project we have a folder css js, and then we have a inside those folder we have a style.css file, and inside js folder we have a scripts.js file, and outside of this folder we have a index.html file. Alright, it will consist of a style.css in the css directory, scripts.js in the js directory, and a main index.html in the root of the project. This is how you need to create a small web project. To begin, make an HTML skeleton and save it as index.html the way I have write it down. The same way write it down all this code. You can find this code on Google too, Alright, link to a jQuery CDN right before the closing body tag, followed by your own custom JavaScript file, scripts.js. You guys can see here we are linking jQuery and then scripts.js file too, because without this file JavaScript will not work. Alright, let's go. By comparing a simple hello world program in both JavaScript and jQuery, you can see the difference of how they are both written. The first one, this one is for the JavaScript. This is how you write the code in JavaScript, document.getElement by ID. But in jQuery we just use $sign and then get the ID. Alright, and then we are outputting what? Hello world. This is the simple example of jQuery and JavaScript and how you can install, link jQuery and JavaScript in your HTML file. Okay, I hope you guys learned something good, something useful. That's all in this video. I will then see you guys in the next video. If you missed all my previous parts on front-end programming languages, then go check out. All are available on my YouTube channel, and make sure to follow me on TikTok and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will then see you guys in the next video. Bye.